Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve File Explorer is crashing, freezing, or just not working properly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And the most common reasons are not keeping your Windows up to date, missing or corrupt files on your computer, outdated or corrupt display drivers, search indexing issues, and insufficient system resources. And then I'll show you some quick method to fix the problem. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung event viewer. Ayan, so i-type mo lang yan. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung open. And dito sa event viewer, so dito lang sa left side menu. And then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Windows logs. Okay, ito siya. So ang gagawin mo yan, so i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung applications. So one time click itong applications. And dito lang sa right side ay makikita mo na dito yung applications or number of events. Alright? So makikita mo dito na mayroon ditong warning. Okay? So ang gagawin natin yan para ma-view natin yung error. So select mo lang yan. And then dito sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung general. Okay? So click mo lang tong general. And then dito ay makikita mo na yung kanyang important details error. So nandito lahat mga kaibigan. Okay? So after natin ma-view dito sa event viewer, and the next solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin yan. And then same dito lang sa search menu. And dito sa search for app, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. And then kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter or i-copy natin tong command keyword na to na bc edit.exe /set and then current next always up. So copy lang natin yan. And next step ay ipipaste natin dito. So dito lang sa taas, kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung edit and then i-click mo lang dito yung paste or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+B. So click mo lang yan and then press mo lang yung enter. Ayan. So one na press mo na yung enter and then next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat and then yung /scan now ay one word yan and press mo lang yung enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verifications phase of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And next step, so close lang natin tong CMD. At dito lang sa start menu and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix File Explorer keeps crashing, freezing, or has stopped working in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.